Welcome back. Residents of Abhiramapuram held a protest against conversion of some nearby roads as one-way routes. But the police say the new system will be tested for a month before a decision is taken.
These residents belong to the 4th Street in Abhiramapuram, and they say the new one-way routes are inconvenient in many ways, especially driving children to schools and reaching hospitals and even nearby markets.
For me, taking kids, we can't even walk here and to go to the next, just traveling to the next street, we have to go all around, and it's we know that petrol charges are really high, and auto people also are asking more money, demanding more money, and it's this is the residents we live here, and since morning 5 o'clock till midnight, the noise of this traffic and all is very high, and pollution, everything is going up, and it is really affecting our lives in day to day.
Our office is here. Again, in the one way, we have to go nearly 2 kilometers. Just 100 feet, turn right turn it is a big side one way.
Some residents even said that they have lost hope that Chennai city is going to get better.
The entire traffic has been back on this 4th Street. The result, we find it very difficult even to come out of the house. And to drive my car out from here becomes a big problem because the traffic comes at tearing speed.
The one-way system was introduced last week, and traffic authorities say it's for the smooth and swift movement of traffic in the area. With Salim, this is Sai Manish for NDTV Hindu.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh says prices will come down. Dr. Singh made this promise at a Congress Working Committee meeting, and in the run-up to the Union Budget, we bring you a new segment, Vitamin M, all about your concerns and your expectations. Today, our reporter Minal Shah brings you a bank manager's wish list.
Dear Minister, I am Vasudeva Rao, Corporation Bank, Velachery branch. Tax on TDS on deposits to be scrapped. Regarding tax saving scheme, at present that the period of deposit will be 5 years. It will be reduced from 5 years to 3 years. It will help us to mobilize more funds from the public, and that will be utilized for the benefit of the priority sector advances for infrastructure facilities and all this. That salaried people's tax slab to be reduced drastically.
And finally, here's our image of the day. A traffic jam in Trichy forced Union Minister G.K. Vasan to switch from his car to a motorbike to reach the airport. Though traffic police and Vasan's personal bodyguards tried to clear a way, they were not successful. The minister stepped out of his car and asked for a motorcyclist to take him to the airport, and eventually reached on time. Way to go, Mr. Minister. That's all the news for the moment. Thanks for being with us. Good night.